am the owner of Braids by Bee Inc., one of the first braiding salons located in South Florida that only caters to braiding services and dreadlock services. And who am I? My name is Benite Corion, and I am the master loctician. I am the person who created a lot of innovative hairstyles, innovative solutions to a lot of people who suffer from hair loss, a lot of clients who have dreadlocks or alopecia, or clients who need specific custom hair units created for their needs because of something they suffered from. And I am the innovator who creates what they need. So you come to me, I do a full assessment, and I see how I can create coverage for what you already have going on. And this is our Instantloc Dread Extensions, which can be sold as hair bundles, or we can custom make them as you sit in our chair. We also make custom hair units that covers balding areas, as well as we can start a whole head of dreadlocks with our custom made Instantloc Dread Extensions, as well as extend your dreadlocks with our Instantloc Dread Extensions, as you can currently see in these photos.